And now, here come the daffodils, the trumpeters of spring, all tooting joy with thrills and thrills, the while again they bring their happiest note, attuned with cheer, to tell that spring is truly here. I am always glad when daffodils lift up their golden horn, to wake a day whose waking fills with mellowness the morn, and lures the south winds through the air, to bear away my winter's care. I always thought the daffodils, which rise from frigid earth, were heroines with hearts and wills, to understand the worth of holding hope through days severe, and burst with joy when spring is here. So blow your best, dear daffodils, I will listen full and long to every note which ever thrills with your returning song. And when at night I rest my head, I will dream sweet dreams thus comforted.